We are here in Dubai, Token 2049, all the way from Florida, both of us. And I'm with Sean, Sean Pinnock, the founder of Avalon. Sean, how is it going? Welcome to the hot Dubai.
Oh, it's going great. I've met a lot of amazing people here, excited to be telling the world more about Avalon, along with all these people in Dubai.
You're bringing gaming to Dubai, to Token 2049. Talk to us about that. Why is gaming here? This is Token 2049. What's on the founders' minds who are here from our sector?
Yeah, I mean, gaming's international. People in UAE, they love gaming. Dubai here's a hot spot for obviously crypto and for gaming. And there's a massive intersection happening right now with gaming, crypto, and AI too. And it's all kind of coalescing. And that's really the heart of what Avalon is and what Avalon does. We want to be everywhere. We want to be ever present in the world. Avalon's a great product for that. So that's why we're here. And that's why we're showing off Avalon.
One of the things that we talk a lot about is right now in our sector is funding, right? Web3 gaming is in a tough spot. And a lot of founders are coming here to Dubai at Token 2049 to raise. But I know that investors now are looking at projects more closely because we're way further in the process of building the game. What are you seeing investors looking for now from Web3 gaming at this juncture?
Yeah, so, in 2021, 2022, and even a little bit before then, I think there was a little bit of overexcitement for games back then, especially compared to where we are today. And I think investors have sort of come to the conclusion that there isn't easy money to be made. You have to actually build a legitimate product that people are going to use. And so we're seeing due diligence in the space now, I think more comparable to how traditional games investments are. So if you're a developer, you're building something in the space, you have to have a real product. You have to have a real go-to-market strategy, real methods in order to generate revenue. And so, that's our focus here at Avalon. Like we've been developing for 3 years. We've got a real product. It's comparable, I think, to many of the best Web2 games. And that's how you have to be. And that's how you have to operate if you're going to be successful in this space.
And you bring up a good point because Web3 gaming, just Web3 in general, is constantly pivoting, right? And we have to sort of re-strategize and pivot with it. And where we are today, I mean, especially in gaming is very much a B2C offering, right? But you have AI mixed in here, which gives you sort of a B2B opportunity. Are you thinking about B2B emerging here? Are you thinking about expanding beyond, let's say, just a player-facing product?
Right. I mean, it's an excellent question. When you think about, other, I would say, similar applications that have user-generated content, you think Roblox as an example, you think Fortnite Creative, and in a way, they're very myriad between B2B and B2C. With our tools, our creators are going to start businesses. They're going to build what we call the guilds, but guilds inside of Avalon are really just small or sometimes medium or large businesses that will have players coming, spending revenue, building things with their community. So certainly B2B is ultimately where we see the most opportunity. But first, we have to cultivate a community.
And I have to ask AI because I want to know, how is AI going to appeal to players, but also to investors as well?
So, AI is going to radically shift, I think, everything we know about most industries, but specifically gaming, there's going to be some major changes. For starters, we're already seeing game developers like myself increase the speed they can create content 30, 40, 50% in a lot of cases. But where things get really exciting for us is taking these tools and then giving them to our players. What if now you can create an awesome village, an awesome city, an awesome world with just using a chat box, rather than having to model it all, create it all from scratch, something that would historically take days, weeks, or even months. Now you can do in just a few moments. That's coming, and it's coming very soon. It's something we're very interested in doing at Avalon.
Speaking of excitement and coming very soon, what should players be excited about? What should investors be excited about? And what should we be expecting in the next coming months from Avalon?
Yeah, so we're gearing up for our early access. We want to get players to come and play with us early. So if you like Avalon, if you're interested in learning more about us, come to our website, avalon.online, or to our X page at Avalon, sign up for our early access and join us, help create the next revolution of gaming.
So good to see you, Sean. Glad that you're out here representing Web3 gaming. Is Web3 gaming still inevitable?
It's always inevitable.
You heard it, Sam Stefanina. So good to see you, and have a great rest of your event.
Thank you. You too.